my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for June month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 555. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So if you want to place the order, just check the description box. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. So first of all, this is the info card. And the theme for this month is 4+3 June Delight. And this month it's really special because you can select 3 products, which is amazing. So let's start with the product which I have chosen for me. So first is this. This is by Plum, and this is the Rose Body Polish, one of my favorite products. I have used like 3-4 jars of this and I really like it, so that's why I've chosen this. The quantity is 50 grams for this, and it says Rose Body Polish deeply moisture and softens the skin, exfoliate and gives a fresh new glow, leaves the skin with a soft and floral fragrance. Now this product is free from parabens, sulfate, and the price for this is 299 rupees. Ingredient, let me just quickly read that. It has coconut oil, shea butter, organic rose pink clay, organic cane sugar, rose essential oil. So this is the product. Now moving on to the second one. The second one is by Nykaa, and again I have used it. It's pretty nice moisturizer, that's why I've chosen this again. So the fragrance is really nice and it's quite compact, so you can just keep it in your bag whenever you're traveling. So perfect product, I like it. Let me just read out the price for this. 210 is the price. Now moving on to the third one. Third one is again a product which I have used it. This is by Geo Girl. Now let's see, let me just show you the shade here. So the color you can see here, it's pink, baby pinkish kind of a shade, and let me just show it here. So this is the really pretty nudish, pinkish, baby pinkish kind of a shade. So this is the third product. Now let me show you all other product in the box. Let's start with this. This is by Aura de Purity, and this is a cherry blossom body butter with SPF. Again, a really good product. Body butter with SPF is just great. I've used 2 jars of this, I guess, and yes, pretty happy with the product. Now let me tell you the price. First of all, the quantity is 100 grams. The price for this is 599 rupees. Manufacture of March 2018, best before 3 years from the manufacturing date. So yes, this is the next product. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a kajal by Ebony London. This is a smudge-free kajal, waterproof, 10 hour is the staying power. So this is how it looks. For this, I'm not really sure that I will be using it, but kajal, it's a useful product, you can say. 80 rupees is the price for this one. Now, the next one is a lip balm. Again, a very useful product, and this is the Double Lolly Strawberry Flavor Lip Balm. 125 is the price for this one, and this is a transparent lip balm. So 125 is the price and a useful product. Now I'm left with the last one, and it is a jewelry. So let me just take out the jewelry and show you. So this is how it looks. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the look, really cute, simple. They will look nice with kurti. So this is the look. The price for this one, let me just see the price. Price for these are 200 rupees. And now I'm left with the last one, which is this. This is the Lady Raga pouch. The price for this one is 325 rupees. So the quality is quite nice, and this is a new style which I don't have. So yes, happy. This is how it looks. So that's all what I have received in my Lady Raga for June month. The best part is that this month you can select 3 products by yourself, which is nice. So if you like it, what you can do is just go to the description box. There you will find the buying link and you can buy this bag. Now that's all about Lady Raga. But before ending the video, let me tell you about the giveaway, guys. Yes, there was a giveaway going on. I have already announced the winner for that, the May giveaway. So what you can do is you can just go to that video, just check the description box, because there you will find the winner's name. And about the June giveaway, right now I'm really busy, but yes, I promise I will try to shoot the video as soon as possible. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.